In this C# program, here's my main function. I declare two integer variables, x and y, and two string variables, a and b. I tell the system console, write something onto the screen. Not right line, but right. So the cursor will stay on the rightmost side. And this is what I tell it to do. This is what I tell it to write. Tab over once, and then enter number 1. End of statement. So it'll wait right there. And I say, console, read a line, and whatever the user keys in, grab it and assign it to variable a, which is a string variable. So they're going to enter a number, it goes into a string variable, which you can't use for addition. Wow. Then I tell the system console, write something else onto the screen. First, write a tab, then enter number 2. Oh, not number 1, number 2. Okay, and then wait right here. Right at the end of this 2. It's waiting for the user to key something in. And I tell the system console, read a line. So he grabs whatever the user keys in and assigns it to B. Okay, very good. Then I tell the system, you know that variable A that's got that it's got that string data in it? That's actually a number, but it's surrounded by quotes, so you can't use it in mathematical operations. Yeah, I want you to parse that into an integer. Okay, so he turns it into an integer, assigns it to x. Oh, and could you take that b guy and parse him into an integer too? Okie dokie, I'll do that too, and assign that to y. I'll do it. Console, clear off the screen, and then console, I want you to write one more thing. What is it? Tab over, and then put in a placement holder. Here's a placement holder for the first number. Here's a placement plus. Here's a whole placement holder for the second number. And then an equal sign and an apostrophe, which I escape out with a slash and an s. And then this number plus this number equals and a placeholder for the next guy. And notice the placeholders are in curlies. So take x, there's a comma. Now take x, assign that to the 0 placeholder. Take y, assign that to the 1th placeholder. And take x plus y and assign that to the 2th placeholder. So it'll say on the screen x, whatever number they keyed in, plus y, whatever number they keyed in for y shows up here, equals, and then this placeholder, which is the addition of these two. Okay, and then console, read a line. So now you can watch the output as long as you want. When you hit the enter key, program will end. And that's what will happen. Let's see it in action. Build. I'm going to build the solution. Build succeeded. Now I'm going to run it. And here we go. Enter number 1. I'll key in 74. And I hit enter. It says enter number 2. I'm going to key in the number 5. 74 plus 5 is 79. Let's see if this works. 74 plus 5 equals 79. Oh my goodness. This worked very well. What do you know? What do you know? Well, I hit the enter key and system turned control back over to the system received control again. And the program disappeared. And that's all I have to say for now. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye.